Okay, family, it's Essie. I'm back. So, what I have here is the Miracle Grow soil. So, I decided to just go ahead and get ready to start topping this off. And what you want to do is just create a mound of soil. You don't need a lot, you guys. You don't need a lot. Just a layer of soil. And what I'm going to do is just go around all the beds. And then when I'm finished, I'll show y'all the completion of it. But again, just a thin layer of soil, you guys, not a lot of soil. And one of the things that you can look for, and the book will tell you that you want to check for your the heat of your straw bales. You want to check for the heat and also the saturation. And one of the good signs you want to look for is mushrooms. You'll start to see mushrooms forming, and that's a very good sign that your straw bale is decomposing. There's some life organisms, how you call it, microorganisms going on inside there. I ain't even gonna try to get all that technical with you guys, but that's a sign that your straw bales is decomposing. There's some life there with the organisms, the microorganisms. Y'all see how that's looking right there? Just a thin layer of soil. Not much. This is long overdue, you guys. I should have been got to this project, but I'm here now. And I'm gonna move y'all. With me. Let's see. Yeah. I know in the book it shows you how you could use a brick to just pat it down, get it nice and firmly in there. But for the most part, I'm just using my hands. And the book also recommends that you do what is it called, irrigation. And I might do that, you guys. I might lay the irrigation in here. At least I'll get a start to doing some irrigation around this garden, which I should have been did, but it is what it is. And then when I finish this, what I'm going to do is put a thin layer of fertilizer on top. But really, it's not going to need no fertilizer because the fertilizer is still sitting on the top of the bale. So they are still decomposing down. Let's see if I can get you guys on that end. Hold on, you guys, bear with me. Okay. So as you can see here, that's actually the fertilizer that's still decomposing down. So this fertilizer is gonna still create those nutrients. It's gonna break that straw down. And you wanna get as close to the edge as possible. I've seen people actually sow seeds in between here. You can actually sow potatoes in here. You could grow pretty much anything in here. T-posts in here if you like, and trellis your stuff going upward. Or you could put T-posts on each end, and then you could create the trellising effect that you might want for things that need to be trellised. Your cucumbers, your watermelons. And what's going to happen is when you sow your seeds, they're going to begin to root inside the straw bale. It's pretty fascinating to me. Like I said, I'm just this Harlem Bronx girl that always desired to live on a prairie. Yep, so I am creating my own prairie, my own homestead. Yep. Alright, you guys, so that side is done. Y'all see how nice and neat that look? So you're just going to sow your seeds right on top. So let me get to the other side, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm over on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. A nice layer. Smooth it on down. And I'm gonna tell you what this is good for too, you guys. For somebody that has some type of disabilities, between raised bed and elevated beds, this is very good for people with disabilities. I would definitely recommend it. And I'm gonna tell you another tip. Where you put your straw bales together, to get them tightened, they recommend that you use some straw and put in the gaps of it. And when you start setting up your bales, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So I know one of the things I'm going to be putting in here on these straw bales, I'm going to be sowing some Tiny Tim strawberries. I mean, not strawberries, tomatoes. I have a few, what they call it, determinate or indeterminate. The ones that are miniature and they just produce fruit and then they die back. So I'm definitely going to be sowing those. They don't require much space. Let me turn this for you guys. So I'm coming to the end. And you should, let me move you guys over some. Let's get over here. Okay, you guys. So, they do recommend that, where y'all at? They do recommend that one bag should be enough to do like 5 to 6 bales, and that's accurate. And I'll give y'all the size of this bag that I'm using. This is, let's see. Hold on, on, you guys. Let me finish this and then I'll give y'all the size of the bag. And this bag actually has like a 3-month feed. And like I said before, this should be more than enough of what the plants would need. And I might be hearing thunder right now, so I might hurry up and sow some seeds in here, because they said we're supposed to get more rain. So I might hurry up and get this done and just run around here with seeds, y'all. I'm going to sprinkle the last of it just around. I might even have better luck here doing my herbs than I did on my deck with my little containers. I don't know what happened to my herbs up there, y'all. I couldn't get nothing started. I have no idea. So see how you just get it in there nice and neat. Just pound it down. Just like so, y'all. Okay, so that's done. All right, you guys, so this bag here, and again, you don't have to use this one. This is 1.5 CF. Yeah, cubic feet, 1.5 cubic feet. And this is the Garden Soil Vegetable and Herbs Miracle Grow. All right, you guys, let me come over here. And what I do is I show you guys everything. See how nice and neat that is? All right, you guys, so this is a look of what it looks like once you put the soil on top. You pat it in nice and neat. It's simple. You sow your seeds directly into the soil. You don't go far down. Just thinly into the soil, not much. Okay, you guys? So again, I know for a fact I'm gonna sow some tiny Tims in here. And some other things, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do herbs on one side, like maybe on this end, the first one. I just have to figure it out, you guys. I know for sure tiny Tims. So that is the Strawbale gardening, and that is the soil tip, how you should place your soil on top of the straw bales. Okay, and they do recommend that you use irrigation. So maybe next week I will attempt to put an irrigation hose, because my water spigot is right over there and it will be easy to run. So I'm really considering that. And that, at least that will get me started on irrigation. So yeah, you guys, so that is the finished look after you apply your soil. And then it's easy peasy. Just sow your seeds directly in there. Okay, you guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. This is Essie the Gardener. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Peace.